Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to prepare to mark out your dovetails. Now for dovetails they're typically marked out in a ratio. So for softwoods we'd have a ratio of 1:6 and in hardwoods we'd have a ratio of 1:8. Now I'm going to draw out on a ratio of 1:7. Get yourself a ruler and a scrap piece of timber. Now, if you're going to use this, you can keep this timber afterwards and you'll always be able to mark up from each of your ratios. I've put it in pen. So pick somewhere along your timber and we're going to draw a number of lines. We're going to start this one measured from our 100mm mark, and I'm going to do the 1:7 here. So that's our 100. And I'm going to count up 7 units, and the units I'm going to use are going to be centimeters, but the units can be anything. It could be 7 inches, 7 feet, 7 cows, as long as all the units are the exact same. Here we've got centimeters, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is going to be our baseline. We're going to take our straight edge and run it up here. Now we're going to count up 7 units here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and we're going to draw a line up to there. Now it's handy if we label them. So we'll start out there at 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And our ratio along this line is 1 unit this way and 7 units that way. Let's put our marker on that one and we run a line through that. And this one is going to be 1 unit up and 7 units across. We'll draw a line from there. We'll take our sliding bevel, loosen that nut. This is going to go against our baseline here, and that's going to be up tight against there. And when that's up tight against it, you can take your blade out. So the body is against the bottom edge. Take the blade and run that along that line and tighten it up. So then if you've got a dovetail that's got to be done in a 1:7, you can flip this to get your dovetail point there. You'll be able to do both sides as well. Takes a bit of getting used to because you have to flip these things round. Now that's doing a dovetail that way, but if you want to actually mark up a dovetail for a set of drawers, you could use it this way, and you take a measuring tape some sort and mark up every let's say if we were going to go every 2 centimeters or 20mm. We'll mark them out. Now when we mark that one, that's going to be difficult to do. So this is where we would take that and we'll adjust our sliding bevel and we'll run it this time up here on that angle. So we've kept our base here, a line here, got the edge of our board, and we'll start to mark out our dovetails. We'll do every second one. Come on, flip it over, come back, you see others, keeping that tight against the edge, come back on every second one, and you start to see your dovetails. I hope that helps.